Hi children, now open to 1.3. Read the story of the mongoose Rikki Tikki Tavi. This is a comprehension story, you have to answer the questions. This is a story of the great war that Rikki Tikki Tavi fought single-handed through the bathrooms of the big bungalow in Sigvoli cantonment. Darzi the tailor bird helped him, and Chuchundra the muskrat, who never comes out into the middle of the floor but always creeps round by the wall, gave him advice, but Rikki Tikki did the real fighting. Who was a mongoose? Rather like a little cat in his fur and his tail, but quite like a weasel in his head and habits. His eyes and the end of his restless nose were pink. He could scratch himself anywhere he pleased, with any leg, front or back, that he chose to use. He would fluff up his tail till it looked like a bottle brush, and his war cry as he scuttled through the long grass was Rikki Tikki Tikki Tick. One day a high summer flood washed him out of the burrow where he lived with his father and mother, and carried him kicking and clucking down a roadside ditch. He found a little wisp of grass floating there and clung to it till he lost his senses. When he revived, he was lying in the hot sun on the middle of the garden path, very draggled indeed, and a small boy was saying, "Here's a dead mongoose, let's have a funeral." "No," said his mother, "let's take him and dry him. Perhaps he isn't really dead." They took him into the house, and a big man picked him up between his fingers and thumb and said he was not dead but half choked. So he wrapped him in a cotton wool and warmed him, and he opened his eyes and sneezed. "Now," said the big man. He was an Englishman who had just moved into the bungalow. Big man means he was an Englishman who had just moved into the bungalow. "Don't frighten him and we'll see what he'll do." The man was saying, don't frighten him and we'll see what he'll do. It is the hardest thing in the world to frighten a mongoose, because he is eaten up from nose to tail with curiosity. The motto of all mongoose family is run and find out, and Rikki Tikki was true mongoose. He looked at the cotton wool, decided that it was not good to eat, ran all round the table, sat up and put his fur in order, scratched himself and jumped on the small boy's shoulders. "Don't frighten Teddy," said his father. "That's his way of making friends." "Ouch, he's tickling under my chin," said Teddy. Have you understood the story? This is a story about Rikki Tikki Tavi, and he was pushed out from his burrow. వాటర్ వచ్చింది, సమ్మర్ ఫ్లడ్ వచ్చింది. సో హీ వాజ్ ఆ ఫ్లోలో వెళ్ళిపోయిందంట. వెళ్ళిపోయి అంటే ఆ నెక్స్ట్ సెకండ్ ప్యార్ ఈజ్ ఆల్ ద డిస్క్రిప్షన్ హౌ ఇట్ లుక్స్ లైక్. ఓకే, ఇట్ లుక్స్ లైక్ హాఫ్ క్యాట్ అండ్ క్వైట్ లైక్ అ వెజల్ లాగా ఉంటుంది, హాఫ్ క్యాట్ లాగా ఉంటుంది అని చెప్పి. సో సమ్మర్ అంత సెకండ్ ప్యార్ అంతా డిస్క్రిప్షన్. నెక్స్ట్ ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు, ఆన్ ద సమ్మర్ ఫ్లడ్ హీస్ వాష్డ్, బర్రోస్లో ఉంటాయి కదా ఇవి, హీ వాజ్ వాష్డ్ ఫ్రమ్ ది బర్రో అండ్ కిక్కింగ్ అండ్ ఫ్లక్ అలా రోడ్ సైడ్ నుంచి తన్నుకుంటూ ద్రోలుకుంటూ వెళ్ళిపోయి డిచ్చెస్లో నుంచి. అప్పుడు అక్కడ ఒక స్మాల్ బాయ్కి కనిపించింది, అది చనిపోయినట్టు కనిపించింది, ఇంకా అయిపోయింది, దీనికి ఒక ఫ్యూనరల్ అరేంజ్ చేద్దాం అని అంటారు. మదర్ అంటారు, లేదు ఇంకా కొంచెం ఉంది, సో విల్ కీపింగ్ ఇన్ ద హాట్ సన్ అని చెప్పి పెడతారు, ఎండలో పెడదామని చెప్పి అనుకుంటారు. సో నెక్స్ట్ వాట్ హ్యాపెండ్, ఒక పెద్ద హైట్గా ఇంగ్లీష్ మ్యాన్స్ ఎలా ఉంటారు, హైట్ అండ్ వెరీ స్ట్రాంగ్. సో తను తీసి he picks him this Rikki Tikki Tavi and he wrapped in a cotton wool and he says keep it in the hot sun. So actually this mongoose ni manam frighten cheyadam chaala kashtam. ఓకేనా, అవి వాటికి ఒక మోటో ఉంటుంది, అది చాలా స్ట్రాంగ్ మోటోస్. It's not easy to catch a mongoose. Okay, this because it is a carnivore animal. Mongoose is a carnivore animal. Rikki Tikki was a true mongoose. So good to eat, ran all around the table. So after it was fine and it woke up when they kept it in the hot sun, and after it was all right, what it did, decided it was good to eat, ran all around the table, sat up and put up his fur in order, scratched himself and jumped on the small boy's shoulders. Is after it was well, it did all this nonsense. Don't be frightened, Teddy, said his father. That's the way of making friends. So it won't harm you. That is the way they make friends, he was saying. Ouch, he's tickling under my chin, said Teddy. So because this boy helped this Rikki Tikki Tavi, it was in a very friendly manner, and it was what is that, tickling chin kinda, it was just doing like this. So they were all happy. Okay. Now coming to the questions. Amma, describe Rikki Tikki Tavi in your own words. Nothing, Amma, you can you can see it in the second paragraph. Describe Rikki Tikki Tavi in your own words. Here you can say Rikki Tikki was a mongoose. You have to write it in your own. You go through the lesson and just write it. Who looks half like a cat and half like a weasel. He had pink eyes. Actually, he has given a full para is there for description. You can't write. You just write 2-3 lines and then leave it, because you don't have enough space there, right? Next, what will you write? Write neatly. Don't make a mess there. Don't give finger gap, but leave a space and then write neatly. Rikki Tikki was a mongoose who looks half like a cat and half like a weasel. He had pink eyes and nose, and it is very flexible that he can scratch himself in front and back comfortably. Allow 3-4 lines, you write it enough, because you don't have more space there. Why was Rikki Tikki lying on the hot sun? Why? Before I say the answer, you have to find it out. You pause the video and find out the answer. Just for your clarity, I am giving you the answers, but you have to write it on your own, because I have already gone through the story. Why was Rikki Tikki Tavi lying in the hot sun? Hot sun, you have another thing, you have to take the answer from the question. Why was Rikki Tikki Tavi lying in the hot sun? Why was it lying in the hot sun? You have to take the answer from the question. And directly you can't write the answer. You have to say Rikki Tikki Tavi lying in the hot sun, because ante correct ga veltadi. This is the base you should have from 5th. Okay. Because why was he just like that, he was sleeping there? No, because he was washed away from the high summer flood from his burrows. Just you write Rikki Tikki Tavi lying in the hot sun, because he was washed away from the burrow. Next one. Why is it hard to frighten a mongoose? Why? Third question. Yes, it is the hardest thing in the world to frighten a mongoose, because he is eaten up from nose to tail with curiosity. Okay, next. Why was Rikki Tikki been called a true mongoose? Support your answer with an example. True mongoose and endukannaru? Enduku? You have it. Why? Because Rikki was a true mongoose, because I said you have to take the answer from the question. Rikki Tikki was a true mongoose because he used to follow, run and find out motto of all mongoose families enti pattukuntai, parigetti pattukoni untai food kosam. He looked at the cotton wool, decided that it was not good to eat, ran all around the table, sat. So actually motto enti avi, they run, catch and then they take the food. That is the way, the habit. ఇవి ఏంటంటే అలాగ పరిగెత్తి పట్టుకుని తినే హ్యాబిట్ మాట. సో ఇన్ ద సేమ్ వే ran all around. So the same way it ran all around, sat up and put his fur in order, scratched himself and jumped on the small boy's shoulders. So this is all. Support your answer with this example he has written that. Why was Rikki Tikki being called a true mongoose? You have to write that full, because you have space here also, you can write it. I'll keep this in your you can check it if you need. Coming to B, would you like to have Ricky Tikki as a pet? Do you think he would be difficult pet to have or an easy one? ఇప్పుడు పెట్ కింద ఉంటే మీకు ఈజీయేనా లేకపోతే కష్టమా అని అడుగుతారు. పెట్ అంటే పెంచుకోవటం కదా, మనం రిక్కీ టిక్కీ టవీని పెంచుకుంటే హౌ వుడ్ యూ ఫీల్ అని చెప్పి, డూ యూ థింక్ ఇట్ వుడ్ బి డిఫికల్ట్ పెట్ టు హ్యావ్, ఈజ్ ఇట్ డిఫికల్ట్ ఆర్ నాట్? యూ రైట్ ఇట్, if you like you say yes, or if you know you just write 2-3 lines, that's all.